Hola familia. Okay, finally, this is I try to do one test. No, this is a first live in the channel, so I just want to see how this thing's going. Basically, I don't want to say big things. Just I can take the opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Miguel Vélez. I'm an architect based in Asia since 2008. And I'm living in South Asia since then, no? The purpose of this is just a channel, no, with a educational purpose. I have been editing videos talking about architecture design, construction, project management, which is my expertise on since I am an architect and project manager. So basically the things that I do in my free time is to compile all this knowledge and all this information that I get through my working experience and then teaching to others, no, sharing with others, no. It's a good way also to make connection with people that is related and interested in the same things that I'm doing. And actually, this year I meet one architect from India, and then I could do a workshop about parametric design, no, using this social media. And then this is the first live. I just was testing to see what is the thing that YouTube is requesting in order to go ahead to go live. And I tested already. I know what is the thing. I put one of the things that I'm working here in Thailand, in Bangkok, where I'm living. That is one idea about how to understand Bangkok city from a delirious perspective. There is a lot of construction that has been done since Bangkok was created, no, since the origin of Bangkok, and I'm compiling all this thing through a long research that is already years, no, compiling information, and then I use that image of delirious Bangkok, that at the same time is a reference to one of the architects that I really like a lot, who is Renkulas, and then I put as the cover, no, of this live. And that's it. I just want to try this thing. So now I know already how these things work. And probably because I saw this thing as a potential tool for education, to put here some of the work that I have done for myself and also through the students. And then so some students also look these videos and then they take the reference and the guidelines in order to produce some architectural design, and later they came to me showing me the work that they have done, and I can see that there is a wonderful progress. Sometimes even there are more progress when the students follow the YouTube channels, YouTube tutorials, no, for education purpose, than attending the class. So I realized this thing, and I want to do this YouTube as an experiment to see if we can generate knowledge and we can improve standards, no, for assignment, and then also share and reach to other audience, to other people that are interested in this thing, in this field of the design, the construction, and the project management. That is the things that I like. Okay, so I don't want to say too much things because this was just only one test. So I will see how the things are going, and then later we'll take action. So that is for today. So bye bye. And now, since we are already on live, actually I'm working in one video that previously I have been showing Nepal, no, through one friend of mine, and now I'm working in one video to talk about Mandalay. Few weeks ago, I was in a meeting, and then I saw one grid, one mapping, no, one map from Mandalay city, and I saw some pattern then about a mandala the city center of the city, and later I saw the expansion done by the British people, in the 18th century, some moment of the 18th century. I think it was 1840, but that one I will need to check that data. And then I found there the something that I'm working also, that is how the people is designing through the mandalas, and there are so many. Mandala is not only just means circle, right? And then there are many people doing mandalas, drawing, looking for meditation and concentration purpose. And then I saw that Mandalay City has a mandala, as the city center, as the urban planning of the city center, the figure and ground of the city. And then I start to ask questions to that person that was one citizen from Mandala. They were telling me that there was once one monarchy, that it was killed by the British people, and then in the center of that mandala was the royal palace. So actually there is a connection between the mandala and the reference of the cosmology, and then the way to live with the mandala. The center is the Mount Buru, that is the Mount Maru. That is the main point, that is connecting the earth to the heaven. That is the sense of this cosmology, sense of the mandala. Then in that center of the mandala in Mandalay is where the royal palace was placed, and the royal family was living there, until this incident. I don't know. I need to recheck that information, because I was totally shocked that the answer that I get was the monarchy were kicked out by the British. So that information I'm going to check to elaborate more, and then prepare one video explaining why the mandala is so important here in Asia by using the case of Mandalay. And that's it. So since this is a test, I didn't prepare anything, so it's just talk what is the things that currently I have, and my presentation, as Miguel Vélez, one architect from Spain living in Asia since 2008, working in so many different countries in last project. And that's it. So I leave this like that. If someone see it, please don't forget to subscribe if you are interested in this topic about cities, design, construction, and management. I really love cities because I really love the cinema of Wim Wenders, and I grew up watching the movies of Wim Wenders about so many cities around the world and the stories. And now, fortunately, I could travel, and then I could visit so many cities and have a vision of the world and how the people are living and using the cities in different ways. And that is the things that I like to talk and discuss. So if anyone are interested in this topic, please don't forget to subscribe. Then see you. I will end up this thing, and then later I will prepare something else, and then we can talk. Bye bye.